Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
Are you looking for a peaceful retreat in the beautiful countryside of Bulgaria? Look no further than this rural Bulgarian house for sale in the charming village of Palamartsa. Located only 8 kilometers away from Popovo town in the Targovishte area, this property offers the perfect mix of tranquility and convenience. With easy access to major cities like Ruse, Veliko Tarnovo, and Varna, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, a quiet village life and the bustling city life. The village of Palamartsa is a hidden gem with friendly locals, quaint shops, a little restaurant, a library, bus stop, and a post office. It is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Bulgaria. The village is surrounded by lush green fields, rolling hills, and picturesque landscapes, making it a paradise for nature lovers. The highlight of this property is the two-story house, built from brick and stone, which offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. With around 800 square meters of land and small outbuildings, this property has plenty of space for you to create your own little paradise. The first floor of the house consists of 3 rooms, while the second floor has 3 rooms and a corridor. The property is in need of some renovation, but with a little love and care, it has the potential to become your dream home. This property is not just a perfect escape for those seeking a peaceful rural lifestyle, but it is also a great investment opportunity in Bulgaria. With the country's growing economy and increasing popularity among tourists, investing in a property in Bulgaria is a smart decision. The low cost of living and favorable property prices make it an attractive option for both local and international buyers. If you are interested in this property, don't hesitate to book a viewing and see it for yourself. The stunning surroundings and the potential of this house will surely capture your heart. Whether you are looking for a holiday home, a retirement retreat, or a rental property, this house in Palamartsa is the perfect choice. So, come to Bulgaria and experience the charm of village life. Who knows, this could be the start of your new adventure in this beautiful country. Yes, it needs some work, but as you see, it's no more than a DIY project, as no specialized work is required to make it your own.